Working with Convert My Attic probably exceeded our expectations. Everything went really smoothly. Really happy with the job. We needed extra space, ideally for one of my teenage sons. We needed a spare bedroom as well, so we converted this for my son. Previously, this was just an empty shell really, used for storage, a pretty typical attic. We had priced around quite a lot and met quite a few builders, but I think Josh was both competitive but also just spent a lot of time understanding what we wanted before the job. And I think we just really clicked with him, kind of trusted him from the start. Convert My Attic gave us a lot of extra ideas when we were planning this as well. Just to make the most of the space, we got planning permission for a dormer, and then which makes the most of the space now, and also just to put in some extra windows as well to get as much light as possible. Josh had a crew, all very reliable and very easy to work with and very clean in terms of, been on the job every day. Josh was here every morning when the crew arrived and came back every day to check that the work was done to the right standard. He was always available on his mobile, which was a big thing for me, making sure I could get him when I needed to. They were a really professional team, so it all worked really well and very straightforward, really. Working with Convert My Attic probably exceeded our expectations. Everything went really smoothly and we're hugely satisfied with the job. I think the reason people should choose Convert My Attic is because the quality is really high and Josh and his team were reliable from start to finish. I definitely recommend Convert My Attic to other people. I actually have done already.